Hello, my name is Sean. Welcome to Devtober Week 3. Today we're going to be spending a considerable amount of time figuring out the sound effects. I have a list right here of everything that I need to make, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. So the first thing that we're going to be making is the sound effect for attacking. I'm going to be using two knives that I can't show to the camera for obvious reasons. It's YouTube. Ooh, alright, yeah. I think we got that one. So that's going to be the sound that plays when our character attacks, but they don't hit anything. It's only when they do hit something that you're going to hear something like this. So I got a cup full of wet meat. We're gonna... Oh, it's so cold. Let's see. There we go. I promise when I put it together, it's not gonna sound that weird. So gross! Just had to wash a bunch of oil and fat off of my hands. That was gross. So now we're going to be cutting at an apple so that there's more of like an impact from the blade hitting the enemy. Let's see. Ooh! Oh, that last one was good. So now I'm thinking that as the player runs, we should hear the armor moving. So I got some spoons and forks. We're gonna put it in a pouch, and we're gonna shake it. Yeah, you know what? I'm sure if I like deepen it or something, it should sound good. So we got some noodles here. I'm gonna hope that me crushing this doesn't make a huge mess. But you know what? It's worth it. Ooh. Oh, that sounds painful. Oh, this is gonna be great. Okay, so we gotta get footsteps, and we have to have a sound for when he jumps and for when he hits the ground. Alright, we got the boot. So now I need to find something that like can simulate the sound of grass, but isn't grass because we're gamers and we don't really touch that stuff. Alright, let's go. So Mike was thinking that maybe we should have leaves, you know, for like weather. So I'm gonna go outside, crunch a leaf into the microphone, and we should be good with that. You know what, I lied, you're coming with me. This should do. Again, let's hope this doesn't make too big of a mess, but if it does, no big deal. I'll just clean it up. Ooh, yeah! Let's toss this shit outside. We're doing good. Now, let me try to set this up. Hello. Alright. No. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, we'll go with that too. We need a jump sound. Okay, and you know what? Actually, we probably need like a sort of impact sound for the armor as well. Ooh, maybe? It's a good jump. What does a jump sound like? Does that even... We might just have to go with this. So we're gonna take the pouch from earlier, and we're just gonna take this little knife sheath, and we're gonna... Okay, there we go. Alright, now, what's left is the enemy noises. So we need like a growling noise, and then a noise for when they're damaged. Okay. I think the big bad guy should have a deeper voice. The ground guy maybe a little less so, and then the fly guy is gonna sound like a little... Okay. Now for when they get damaged. Ooh, the announcer. I think this would be a good time to announce the title of the game. Hellborn. I know. Sounds badass, doesn't it? So the announcer, upon opening the game, is going to hit you with that title, and it's gonna be badass. Hellborn. 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 No, it's a little too gravelly. Hellborn. Acceptable, I might layer it. And then a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Player 1, start. 3, 2, 1. We'll layer it. We'll add some reverb. Reverb fixes everything. And now for our knight's death sounds. Now let's think of all the ways he could possibly die. He could fall into a pit of lava. He could get impaled by a spike. He could get mauled by the ground guy, or attacked by the fly guy, or completely decimated by Christopher's fire. Yeah, so let's do that. Alright. I'm trying to get myself into the mindset of a person who's being impaled. I think that's ridiculous enough. Let's see. Alright, let's see. Fly guy. I imagine he's like getting bitten at the neck. Fly guy would like go for the jugular first, so. I'm so sorry. Ooh, the lava. This one's gonna be fun. Now, I thought it would be funny for our character to drown in the lava. Yes, I know that's not how it works. Am I still going to put it in? Also, yes. We have to make like a sound for like when he's falling in. We have to do the "you died" sound effect. So let's see. You died. Continue. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I promise you, by the time I'm done editing all the sound effects, it's not gonna sound anything like that. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to leave a like on the video, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time where we're going to be editing all of it. See ya.